Today we're making a quick and delicious 3-ingredient teriyaki chicken. It's simple, flavorful, and perfect for busy nights. You'll need 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs cubed, 1 cup of soy sauce, and half a cup of brown sugar. Heat a large nonstick pan over medium-high heat, add your chicken and sear it until it's golden brown on both sides. Now pour in the soy sauce and brown sugar mixture, give it a good stir and bring it to a boil. Let it simmer until the sauce reduces and beautifully coats the chicken. This will take about 10 to 15 minutes. Now, because it was too salt for my liking, I added another cup of water mixed with cornstarch to thicken it up a little bit more. I brought it to a boil and let it simmer again for a little bit. It ended up tasting amazing. I actually served it with rice and a side of broccoli and some veggie mix, including corn, beans, and diced tomatoes. And it was actually an amazing supper. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.